Okay, time to do a little upgrading on the Radster. I got a suspension seat post for it, and I got to get the front rack on it. So we're going to do a couple videos. I'll start with this seat post. I got the Suntour NCX suspension seat post, but I got the wrong size because I'm an idiot. So I found Problem Solvers sells a shim, so I can mount it on the bike. I'm going to do a time lapse so you don't have to listen to me or listen to my music, but there you go. I don't know if you'll notice, but I put the seat post on backwards the first time, so I had to switch it. Anyway, the shim has a little lip on the top that fits right in there. So there you go. That's basically how the shim works. And get that to where you want it for the seat height. Make sure you got clearance in the back because the seat now moves backwards. So there you go. Back to the time lapse. Now, if you need to adjust the tension on the seat post on this NCX, right there in the end, just grab your Allen wrench. Fits right in there. Rotate it clockwise to make it stiffer, counterclockwise to loosen it up a little bit.